I want to talk about my favorite food scale, which is this KD 8000. Honestly, I've used it for a long time. It is accurate, it's wonderful. It's got batteries right now, but if you want to use a cord, it comes with a plug-in, so you can plug it in. I love it because it's got a little protections, little plastic thing. You can change the modes. I've got 567 grams of flour in there. You can change it to kilograms, ounces, pounds. It's just really cool. I've loved it since I used it. And if you're gonna do any kind of baking, you're gonna make pizza, you're gonna make breads, anything that requires a scale, I highly recommend it. I can't say enough about this product. It's just been wonderful. It's been a real workhorse for me. I've used it to make many, many pizzas and breads. So if you want a good scale, this is the one to get. Check it out. Okay, one of the tricks, I don't know if you can read the scale, but one of the tricks of using a scale like this, I really like this KD 8000. I've had it for years. I'll put a link below the video. As an Amazon affiliate, I may be compensated if you purchase through my link. This has been a great workout course for me. But I don't know how to pronounce this, but you weigh out the bowl, and then you hit this little button called tare, and it evens it out to 0. So now you can weigh out whatever it is that you want. I'm going to be putting flour in here. Great little method. Everybody should be using a scale. If you get serious about pizza, really, I did cups and teaspoons and measuring cups for years till I discovered a scale. It really changed everything. You get a lot more consistency using a scale.